So in problem number 6, we're asked to add these two functions together, or actually two fractions together, and they don't have a common denominator. So taking a look at what my LCD is going to look like for this problem, my LCD is that x is going to be a part of it, and then the other part is going to be x minus 2. None of them repeat within the same fraction, so this is my LCD. Taking a look at what that means for the first fraction, I can say x minus 5 over x times what it's missing. Well, what it's missing from the LCD over here, it already has the x, so it's missing the x minus 2. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by x minus 2 and the top by x minus 2. Then bringing down the next fraction, it's 10 over x minus 2. Taking a look at what that's missing, it has the x minus 2. It's missing the x, so I'm going to multiply by x over x. Rewriting each of these, this first fraction is going to turn into x minus 5 times x minus 2 over x times x minus 2 plus 10x over x times x minus 2. So at this point, what I can do is I can actually FOIL all of these together. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to do a quick x minus 5 and an x minus 2 right here. Again, I tend to like the box method when I'm doing any kind of foiling problems, and I see that this is going to give me an x squared minus 5x minus 2x, and then a positive 10. So when I combine my like terms here, this is going to give me x squared minus 7x plus 10 inside of the box, which is going to be all of this right here. So rewriting what that would look like, I get x squared minus 7x plus 10 all over x times x minus 2. And then this plus is just this plus right here, 10x. Taking a look at any like terms, I can see that this term and this term are like terms, and I can combine them. So that's going to end up giving me, for my final answer, x squared plus 3x plus 10 all over x times x minus 2. And I'm trying to see if there's anything that could factor to give me a 10 and a negative, or a positive 10 and positive 3. And when I look at that and I go two numbers that multiply to give me 10 but add to give me 3, there are no factors for that. So there's no factors that can do this for me. So I know that this right here is indeed my final answer. So I'm going to put a box around it and say that that is my final answer. And for some reason, I do not know why my computer screen just decided to do that. Let's try that again. There we go.